If you're looking for an email marketing platform, you've probably heard of Mailchimp. It's one of the most popular tools in the industry, used by businesses of all sizes to send newsletters, automate email sequences, and track campaign performance. But is it actually worth it? I've spent time testing its features, from email design to analytics, and in this review, I'll share everything you need to know. Starting with the interface, Mailchimp offers a clean and modern dashboard. Setting up an email campaign is relatively simple, with a drag-and-drop editor that allows for easy customization. However, the editor can feel a bit clunky at times, especially when dealing with more complex email layouts. If you're new to email marketing, the platform does provide guided tutorials, but more advanced users might find it limiting in terms of design flexibility. One of the biggest selling points of Mailchimp is its automation tools. You can set up automated email sequences triggered by user actions, such as signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. The automation builder is fairly intuitive, but compared to some competitors, it lacks deeper customization options and can get expensive as your email list grows. Speaking of pricing, Mailchimp starts with a free plan that allows up to 500 subscribers and 1,000 email sends per month. While this is great for beginners, many essential features, like A/B testing and advanced analytics, are locked behind paid plans. If you need more customization and segmentation, you'll have to upgrade, and the pricing can quickly add up. Deliverability is another crucial factor for any email marketing tool. In my experience, Mailchimp has decent deliverability rates, but not the best in the industry. Some users report emails landing in spam folders, especially when using shared IP addresses. It's important to warm up your domain and follow best practices to improve inbox placement. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Gifmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Mailchimp also integrates with many third-party tools, including Shopify, WordPress, and CRM systems like Salesforce. However, some integrations require additional setup, and certain advanced features are only available on higher-tier plans. If you rely on deep data syncing or advanced e-commerce analytics, you might find Mailchimp somewhat limited. One of the common complaints about Mailchimp is its customer support. While there is a knowledge base and email support, live chat and phone support are only available for higher-tier users. This can be frustrating if you're on the free or lower-tier plans and run into technical issues. Another downside is Mailchimp's recent policy changes. They've moved away from being just an email marketing tool and now offer features like social media scheduling and a website builder. While this may be useful for some, it also means pricing and plan structures have changed, leading to confusion for longtime users. So, is Mailchimp worth it? If you're a beginner or a small business looking for a simple email marketing tool with decent automation and integrations, Mailchimp can work well. However, if you need advanced features, better deliverability, or more cost-effective pricing, you might want to explore alternatives like ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign. I hope this review helped you get a better idea of what to expect from Mailchimp. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more reviews on digital marketing tools. Let me know in the comments if you've used Mailchimp and what your experience has been like.